Hello students, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is an Infosys InfiTQ question from the subject DBMS from the concept of joins. Here given, consider the table staff. The staff table is given with some tuples. It is clearly given note empty cell signifies null. This is a null. And question is how many rows will be fetched in the output when the above query is executed. How many rows in the output? That is the question. Now look at the query. Select s1 dot staff id, s1 dot name, s1 dot gender, s1 dot supervisor id from staff s1. Inner join staff s2. Means this staff is joined with itself on the condition s1 supervisor id equal to s2 supervisor id, where s1 gender not equal to s2 gender and s1 age is less than 40. For understanding, I'll be writing one more time this staff table because staff table is taken for two times. Staff s1 is inner join with staff s2. Here I will be writing staff table one more time. Now what are the attributes? Staff id, name, age, gender, supervisor id. S101, 102, 103, John, Maria, and ages are 27, 35, female, male, female. S107, S103. Now here you look, this is staff S1, this is staff S2. What are the conditions? You just check for the conditions. Here we do have totally of three conditions. This is a condition 1, this is a condition 2, this is a condition 3. Whichever the tuples satisfying these three conditions are in the output. First I will check for condition 3. S1 age less than 40. S1 age less than 40, it is true for this tuple, true, true, this is false, true, false, false. So means how many tuples are selected? One tuple, second tuple, third tuple, and this is a fourth tuple. Four tuples are selected. So remaining are filtered out. Okay. Next, third condition is done. What is the second condition? S1 gender not equal to S2 gender. Here you see gender M, F, M, F are there. And one more condition is S1 supervisor ID equal to S2 supervisor ID. This is S1 supervisor ID. This is S2 supervisor ID. For these selected tuples, you look, S1107 is matching with S107 and S103 matching with second tuple. S106 is matching with this tuple and S106 is matching with this tuple. Here you look, because supervisor IDs are comparing. S107 matching with this and also matching with this tuple, because in this tuple also S107 is there. S103 is for this one and also for this tuple. Why? Because for this tuple also 103 is there. And S106 is for this and also for this tuple 106. And 106 is for this is true. Okay, these are the combinations. So how many combinations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 combinations. In that 7 combinations, I would like to select those tuples satisfying the condition S1 gender not equal to S2 gender. Here I am going to remove the lines which is not matching with the condition. Gender should not be same, should be equal. Should not be equal, right? This S1 gender should not be equal to S2 gender. Here what you can see, M equal to M. Here S1 gender is M. This is one matching row. M equal to M, but it says not equal to, so that this condition is not satisfying that combination. S107 is also matched with this S107. Here is also male male not matching. This is eliminated. So I'll be removing these two lines, this line and these combinations. So means this is not going to be selected. Fine, that is done. This is removed. Next, S103, here it is female, this one female, and this is also female, so this combination is not going to be selected. This is also having one more combination, that is this is female and this is male. This is selected. It is selected means this combination is deleted. I removed it. Okay, this is only one combination in the output. Next, this is male, this is male, and this is having two combinations, these two, male equal to male, so this is incorrect. This combination, if you see male and female, this is a true combination. Because that is a true combination, this is a false combination, this is I removed it. Okay, I do have only that one combination. And lastly, S106 is matching with this tuple, and this S106 also match with this one, S106. But gender should be different. Gender should be different means this is a female, and in this combination this is a male. This is different so that it is selected. This is a female, and look for this combination female, it is going to be deselected. So you have to remove these lines. So we do have only three mappings. These three are the correct mappings, satisfying all the three conditions. Condition 1, 2 and 3. This 1, 2, 3 are satisfying by these three tuples. For these three tuples, what is required in the output? S1 dot staff ID, S1 dot name, S1 dot gender, S1 dot supervisor ID. These are the four attributes. For the first attribute, S1 dot staff ID, for this combination, that is S102, name Alice, gender female, and supervisor ID S103. And this one gives you S103, name Matthew, gender male, supervisor ID S106. This is S105, Jane, female, and S106 in the output. These are the three tuples in the output. The question is, how many rows will be fetched in the output when the above query is executed? The number of rows are how many? 3 rows. The 3 rows is an option D. This option D says 3 rows. 3 rows is in the output. So answer for this question is option D. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.